Hey everyone, it's me, and I'm here to share with you something exciting. We have a new home on another platform. If you've been following my journey, you know that I'm dedicated to making AI and automation accessible to everyone. And this new platform allows me to bring that mission to life in a more interactive and engaging way. You might be wondering, what's in it for you? Well, let me tell you. This new platform is like a second home, where you will discover AI superpowers you never knew you had. Think of it as your personal AI assistant that helps you unlock your full potential. First up, we have our very own newsletter, the Weekly AI Digest. It's like having a personal AI tutor right in your inbox. Every week I'll guide you through the world of AI, sharing the latest trends, must-have tools, and insider tips and tricks. It has the perfect way to stay ahead of the curve and make the most out of your AI journey. Then there are the AI labs, where I'll walk you through step-by-step tutorials and automation hacks. You'll have the opportunity to experiment with cutting-edge AI tools and techniques, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. But that's not all. The platform also features an Ask Me Anything section. So if you have any questions or need help with anything AI-related, just ask. I'll be there to guide you every step of the way. We've also created an awesome community where you can connect with like-minded individuals who are also eager to embrace AI and automation. Together we can learn, grow, and support each other on this incredible journey. So what are you waiting for? Head over to the website now and join the movement. Embrace the AI revolution and become the AI-powered version of yourself. Do you and T forget to subscribe to get notified when I drop new videos, and let us embark on this exciting adventure together. Remember, the future is AI, and you don't have to be a tech expert to thrive in it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on any of my awesome content. Let's embrace the AI revolution together and unlock a world of possibilities. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.